Welcome to the mightiest vegetable show in town. That's right, today I'm talking about our kitchen mini collection, a curated assortment of vegetable and herbs that are perfect for the garden center or on the windowsill. Let's take a quick look at some of the variety highlights. If you're in the mood for tomatoes, we've got you covered for both big and small. First in our 6-inch pot with this beautiful Siam tomato, bursting with flavor. But if you want something a little smaller, we also got you covered with cocoa or red velvet, adorable in this 4-inch pot. If you're in the mood for sweet peppers, check out our Fresh Bite series, great in the 6-inch container. If you're in the mood for something a little spicier, we've got tons of varieties to choose from, such as our Cosmo pepper and then also our tamale as well. Once you're done burning your mouth, make sure to refresh your palate with our Quick Snack Cucumber, a compact, quick-to-harvest variety, perfect for the tabletop. Finally, if you're in the mood to do some cooking and making some pesto, try out our beautiful bonsai basil with small leaves that are perfect for throwing directly into any dish. Getting your kitchen mini program started at the garden center is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Sell them during the shoulder seasons in early spring or late fall. Plan a great place to display your varieties, such as in a high traffic area where it's sure to draw attention. Finally, pick your varieties from some of those great ones I highlighted earlier. Don't forget to try out our kitchen minis and buy, eat, repeat.